Bro, it's just one motherfucker in life, bro. You just can't stand, cuz. You just can't stand this motherfucker. Fat, bad body built motherfucker, man. I can't stand this nigga. Then he keep calling my goddamn phone. Man, that's cousin Lord. Hold on, let me show y'all. Look at that big ass. Then I pull up. Hey, bro, be ready when I get there. Been sitting here 10 minutes now. And he doing this shit on purpose, too. Fuck with me. Look, he just sitting in there, fucking with me. You know how, like, when you pull up, back in the day, and them folk be, go pick up a lady or something, and the women, oh, just a minute, let me powder my nose. Look. Hey, he bring a gift for offering. I seen something on that plate in there. He got a gift. Oh, this will shut that nigga ass up. Look, he been up cooking that morning. That what it was. And he still in there cooking. Hey, I'm telling you, if he don't bring me none extra plate, y'all, we gonna have a motherfucking problem, cuz. Then woke me up out my bed. I'm still in pajamas and shit. To come over here to help him do something. Well, I gotta pull a tractor and take a trailer back for him. If he ain't got me no motherfucking plate of food, we gonna have some goddamn issue. Fat, bad body built ass motherfucker. Look at him. He got a plate though. Look at him. He gonna get the cussing soon. That how the military, and this is a veteran. Military with PTSD. Just look at it. I bet there's a woman on the other end of that phone. Look at the fat ass. Look at him, girl. Tell me.
You recorded me and shit, bitch. I'm fixing me something to eat, nigga. You don't give a fuck about none of that. Would you like one? Go away.